So I wanted to show you the advantage of using a combination of things to get accurate seams. And that is using the Betty bridge that is right here. It has your seam guides, and then it also bridges over where your table meets there, and it keeps everything nice and smooth. And then also an open toe foot and moving your needle over to the right. That's a Susan Cleveland tip. And so once your needle is moved to the right, you have an open toe foot and your Betty bridge, and then I have a little edge here. So when your fabric is there, that open toe foot and the steady stiletto, that is the Steady Betty stiletto, and it has our foam on the end so it grips your fabric. But the thing is that when you can get your stiletto down right up next to your needle there on that open toe foot, so now your edge is here, your needle is there, and as you push forward and let that grab, you can really get close to your needle with this stiletto. And so as it comes along there, I just keep it right there. And there you go. It really helps. Hope that helps.